CMOSTEK CMT2310A EB Factory Firmware Operation Guide. First, let's explain the corresponding functions of the buttons. The 5 icons at the bottom of the screen, corresponding to the 5 buttons from K1 to K5. The first icon from left to right corresponds to K1, indicates the parameters or modes set according to the above menus. Enter into working state, show press is effective. The second icon corresponds to K2, indicates return previous menu directory, show press is effective. The third icon corresponds to K3, indicates selecting the next item, show press is effective. The fourth icon corresponds to K4, indicates selecting the previous item, show press is effective. The fifth icon corresponds to K5, indicates that the current selection is selected, show press is effective. In the first level menu, when modulation flashes, show press K5 to enter the secondary submenu. Use K3 or K4 to set the modulation mode. Select till FSK, the currently selected menu will flash. When till FSK flashes, show press K5 to confirm, and return to the first level menu. In the first level menu interface, show press K3 or K4 to select the work mode menu. Show press K5 to enter the secondary submenu. Show press K3 or K4 to set the working mode. Select TX, enter X mode, and show press K5 to confirm the selection, and return to the first level menu. In the first level menu interface, show press K3 or K4 to select the frequency band menu. Show press K5 to enter the secondary submenu. Show press K3 or K4 to set the working frequency. Select 433,000 kHz and show press K5 to confirm the selection, and return to the first level menu. In the first level menu interface, show press K3 or K4 to select data rate menu. Show press K5 to enter the secondary submenu. Show press K3 or K4 to set the data rate. Select 10 kbps 5 kHz and show press K5 to confirm the selection, and return to the first level menu. In the first level menu interface, show press K3 or K4 to select the TX output power menu. Show press K5 to enter the secondary submenu. Show press K3 or K4 to set the transmission power. Choose the appropriate power according to the required distance. For example, select 20 dBm. Show press K5 to confirm your selection, and return to the first level menu. The remaining first level menu, such as preamble length, packet length, and other options, you can choose the settings as needed. This demonstration selects the factory default. No additional settings are required. After setting the parameters, show press K1 to enter into the working state. Show press K2, and the board will enter into our X state. Set the same settings on another board. Show press K1 to enter into TX state. After that, the two boards will perform bidirectional transmission and reception. This video mainly demonstrates TX and X mode bidirectional message sending and receiving mode. For more detailed functions, please visit our official website www.hoberf.com. Download and 2-for-1 CMT2310A Factory Firmware Operation Guide. Thanks for watching.